Hello people, today we have another package to unbox and this is a very special one. I really am looking forward to it because this has a lot of things that are going to be installed on my bike and majorly help me with my expeditions to lands far away where hint would be I wouldn't have to install my phone on my handlebar for navigation. I had a lot of problems while mounting my phone to my handlebar. I was not able to find a proper mount, but when I found the mount, it requires something to be stuck to my case. And when I have that stuck to my case, I can't use my phone to control my drone, so I have to carry two phone cases. That was a little bit of hassle. So this is just a PD charger. This is a GAN charger. I got it separately. This is a keyboard, macro keyboard. This is also not the important part. These are some indicators, pair of 4. These are sequential indicators. These are necessary. I'll be talking about it. But the main thing that we have here is this one. This is the multifunctional motorbike system. There are two major things that I want to talk about before I open this. The first use case would be the navigation, and the second use case is that this comes with 2 cameras. I have been through very sketchy places where the people are nonsense and they drive like nonsense. To save myself from any further embarrassment, I would like to install these so that I'll have some proof that even though I was way above the speed limit, I was not at fault for what caused the accident. Okay, there is I think 1 for power and 2 for cameras. We'll open this later. Lots of accessories, lots of cables. This is 1 camera. Just open it up. Okay, this comes with a PM tape or screws. You have both options, you can use that. And this mounts, and this directly connects with this longest wire, so I won't have to cut or do anything separately. So that is a good thing to know, because I'm planning to do all the wiring and everything by myself to know more about the things. So this would be connected to the battery. I think I'll be able to handle the installation, else my bike will be bricked. I'll have to rush to a garage to get it fixed. So this is the mount that we get. Oh, cute. But this is all plastic. I'll try to find an alternative which will serve me better if possible. Oh, I dropped something. This goes on the handlebars and all, but I don't have space on my handlebars. I'll find an alternative for this. This is another camera. We have 2 cameras, one on the front and one on the back. And this comes with the Allen key, the other one doesn't. Those are all the major cables that we'll be needing for the installation and for the installation of this. This is much bigger than I expected. Type-C power needs to be 12 volt. Yeah, I have 12 volt. No issues. Okay, there are 2 mics also. I don't think I'll be able to use the mics when I'm riding triple digits. But yeah, this is good. There is a screw that is little loose. Apart from this, I'll just have to plug it in and then I'll have to check if this works or not. I'm planning to install it just above my existing console so that I'll not have to move my head much while trying to find the road. I also have a visor that I have to install because the current one is a very small one. This will not fit at all in my existing setup, so I have a new visor that will give me a little bit of headspace of the console so that I can fit this over there. So this was the unboxing, and let me show you the indicators as well. I got this for a good price also. These are sequential indicators. So by sequential I mean they'll start from here and they'll end here, 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 like that. But apparently these are not the exact ones that I ordered, because the ones that I ordered had white LEDs and yellow LEDs. So I was thinking of I might not be able to use it completely, because what I will do with 2 sets of LEDs. But this is a good thing that these are all oranges. I will talk to the seller that this is not what I ordered. Maybe they send me a replacement or something like that. But this also works because these are sequential. These go from start to end, so it gives a sense of direction to where I'm going, not just a blinking light. It gives a direction ki idhar ja raha hu, idhar ja raha hu, idhar ja raha hu, idhar ja raha hu. So yeah, not that in Indian roads many people look at this or consider this, but for my own safety and sanity, at this I'll be showing where I'm going, and if you bump into me, I have the recording. I was not recording. These also support tire pressure monitoring system, but I was not able to find a compatible thing for that, because jo seller tha, the seller only provided the dash and the dash cams, not the TPMS that is directly compatible with system. So yeah, I'll test it out and I will install it. That will be a separate video, and if everything works out, I'll make a proper reselling website where I'll make these available, so that you don't have to go through the hassle of buying it from outside. This loose screw, that is a little bit concern. I'll have to tighten it up, नहीं तो ये हो जाएगा तो फिर बाद में दिक्कत होगा. This is just a shed to protect from sunlight, direct sunlight. This is a 6.8 inch screen, and it has Android Auto, iOS CarPlay, and it can control music. It can show my speed, probably, I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. And you can connect it to this and connect this to your intercom as well, so everything works well. You will get your calls, you will get your music, you will get your map. Those are the 3 important things that you need while traveling solo in remote lands. That's it for this video. I'll install it, I'll make another video of that, so if you want to watch that, stay subscribed, and I'm signing off. See you in the next one. Peace.